Scientists have found that a single grain of sand contains a hidden library of information, equivalent to an entire skyscraper of books. This phenomenon occurs when the intricate patterns of molecular structures within the sand grain are examined. For centuries, philosophers have pondered the nature of information storage and retrieval, often referencing the concept of the Library of Alexandria. However, the idea of a single grain of sand containing an entire library may seem absurd until we consider the sheer scale of data storage possible with DNA. Imagine a single DNA molecule containing an entire library of books, with each nucleotide serving as a binary digit. But that's not the strangest part, as researchers have discovered that certain types of sand can store information in a way that's comparable to a hard drive. Wait until you hear what comes next, as scientists have found that certain grains of sand can even store information that's resistant to erosion. This phenomenon occurs when the sand grain is subjected to high pressures, causing the molecular structures to change in a way that's similar to data compression. It's like a grain of sand is a tiny, natural hard drive, capable of storing vast amounts of information in a way that's both secure and durable. And then something unexpected happened, as researchers discovered that certain types of sand can even be used to store information in a way that's similar to a hologram. And then layers of information. And what are the implications of this discovery characteristics? For example, a grain of sand can store both visual and audio information, making it a potentially powerful tool for data storage and retrieval. Imagine being able to store an entire movie or a song within a single grain of sand, and then layers of information retrieving it at will. And then layers of information retrieving it at will. And what are the implications of this discovery? To understand this phenomenon, we need to examine the molecular structures within the sand grain and how they are able to store information. It's a complex process, but essentially, the molecular structures within the sand grain are able to change in a way that's similar to data compression. And just like a hard drive, the information stored within the sand grain can be retrieved at will, using specialized equipment. But that's not all, as researchers have discovered that certain types of sand can even be used to store information in a way that's similar to a quantum computer. This means that a single grain of sand can contain multiple layers of information, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. And then something unexpected happened, as researchers discovered that certain types of sand can even be used to store information in a way that's similar to a neural network. This means that a single grain of sand can mimic the behavior of a human brain and could potentially revolutionize the way we store and retrieve information. But what does this mean, and why is it so important? The implications of this discovery are vast and could potentially revolutionize the way we store and retrieve information. Imagine being able to store an entire library of books within a single grain of sand, and then retrieving it at will. It's a prospect that's both exciting and terrifying, as we consider the potential consequences of being able to store and retrieve information in such a way. So what does this mean for us? And how can we use this discovery to our advantage? The possibilities are endless, and it's up to us to explore the potential of this phenomenon and see where it takes us. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery as we explore the mysteries of the universe. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more mind-blowing facts and join our community of curious learners. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.